Hi, I would like to introduce to you one of the useful book which is called Encyclopedia of Food. Okay, in this book we'll have a healthy recipe for education and health library. Okay, here you can see how quality of this book. Okay, having a hardcover paper. Okay, let us dive in what are the content of this book. Okay, here we'll have the introduction about the writer. Okay, in this book, example like part 1, we have the sign of food. Okay, the content of food for human, fruit, and etc. Then part number 2 will have the healing power of food, and part number 3, the healing kitchen. Okay, in this healing kitchen, we'll have the counsel of a healthy kitchen, a health and attractive table, basic recipe, and etc. In part number 4, we have the recipe that prevent and heal. Okay, in this book we'll have the content of recipe by organs and function. Okay, that you can refer to, and we'll have explanation a bit about the pages, table, and boxes in the Encyclopedia of Food and their healing power. Okay, let's us dive in this book. Okay, this book is very good book and quality book. Okay, we'll have a good nice picture, nice explanation. Okay, and very details about food, so every food that you consume will have the explain on the nutrition and the how you prepare, and also the ingredient will be right in this book. Okay, hope you enjoy this video for the short description of this book, and hope you and your family were living in the good or uh, good lifestyle in terms of the food consumption. Okay, have a nice day, and hope you can enjoy my short description and have this book at your house and for you to use your in your family. And thank you for listening. Goodbye.